Hi everyone, this is the very first time you see me on my channel like this. I normally hide behind the scenes making jewelry. If you're on this channel, you probably have seen my hands many times. The reason why I'm here is to announce that I now offer memberships on my channel. First of all, I would like to thank all of my regular viewers and subscribers for supporting my channel over the last 2 years. Regular videos on my channel show how I work as a full-time bench jeweler. But I get so many comments and questions. I really want to find a way, with your support, to be able to give more information about jewelry making and what goes on behind the scenes for those of you who are interested. This will not take anything away from my regular videos, which will continue as normal, but will add an extra layer of depth for those members who would like to see more. As I mentioned in my YouTube description page, I have been handmaking jewelry since 2003, but only started my YouTube adventure recently. Believe it or not, each of my 10 to 15 second shorts take 1 to 3 solid hours to film and edit. 30-minute videos easily take 40 to 100 hours to plan, film, and edit. That's a huge amount of work on top of the busy day-to-day running of my little studio. Membership support would enable me to spend more time planning, filming, and making in-depth videos to share with you guys, allowing me to make more elaborate jewelry making projects and invest in better filming equipment to show you clearer, more engaging jewelry making videos, and share with you behind the scenes stories. By becoming a silver member, you will have a badge showing next to your name every time you leave me a comment. In this way, I will be able to spot your message immediately, and this will allow me to respond much quicker and prioritize your message. If you become a gold member now, you will have a badge just like the silver members. And on top of that, you will get early access to all of my new videos. And at the end of every month, for gold members only, I will share a members only video showing behind the scenes stories, my personal thoughts on jewelry making, and much, much more. To become a member, simply click the join button below this video or the link in the description of this video. And please do not worry if you cannot or don't want to join. Nothing will change on my channel. You will still have full access to all of my video uploads as usual. Membership is just a little bit extra if you want to support me more in the work I am doing here. And if you want to get a little bit more of an in-depth, behind-the-scenes look at jewelry and tool making and the life of a bench jeweler. A huge thank you to everyone that supports this channel, to everyone that watches these videos, to my regular subscribers. I have big plans to grow and improve the channel, and that can only happen with your support. So, thank you all. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.